Yo man, in this video I'm gonna go into the live markets. Okay, this is currently 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so in 30 minutes I gotta be fast. In 30 minutes the session will open, New York Stock Exchange will open. I will take a trade in front of you, and I'm not gonna be like all these fake gurus out there who will just flex on you, make money in front of you and not teach it. No, I'm gonna take the trade in front of you, I'm gonna teach it to you step by step so you can understand my model, so that you can do this every single day, because it's very simple, effective, and it happens every single day. All right man, enough talking. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll see you in the markets. All right. Essentially, if this breaks structure above this, I'm going to buy the markets right on the money. Let's go. I just bought the markets. Now it closed. I got a pretty good feel. I got feel around here. Hey. Well, yo, what's good, man? That's what's up. Okay, let's not overreact. But what we see right here is a magnificent of a trend to the upside, okay? Now it is my duty to teach you how to do this every single day, okay? But let's stay relaxed. All I made was like 3K, 3 bandos. But yeah, man, let's do a recap, and then I'm gonna teach you everything, all right? So man, trading recap. As you can see, 3.3k net. So this means like the profit itself, okay, after the fees, everything. 3.3, something like that, okay. 3.3k. All right, let's not be autistic. But listen, this was my model, okay. This is the thing that I've been teaching you guys. If you have followed me for a while, you know that. You know what's up. What did I do here? Well, session opens. What happens? Whip of liquidity. We took out a bunch of orders from here, swapped these lows. What happens? What do we get then? Well, first of all, we have to understand, how does the trend move? Low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows, right? Then swept liquidity. We see immediate reaction. We create a high. Didn't break yet. Create another high. Then we broke structure once. So this is a higher high. We continue up. Boom, 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 bang. This broke structure the second time, broke structure broke structure the first time, broke structure the second time, right here. How do we know that? Well, if you look closer, this is a high, up candle body closes above that. What is that? MSS, market structure shift. Now, I know some of you guys may say that, oh, that's not an MSS. Well, that's what you know, but that's what I call it, okay? Because I'm not, like, I just like to call it an MSS, okay? Maybe I should reinvent the name, but MSS for me is what means liquidity sweep and two break structures to the upside simultaneously, which literally causes the trend up, and we see that the trend is getting respected, etc. and etc. Now we took more liquidity, we see some sort of reversal now. But yeah, MSS, man, MSS. This is the perception. If that's the word, perception of an MSS for me. Okay, we can call this the Adriel Cash MSS. Okay. Liquidity sweep, swept right here, as you can see, sweep. Then we get a break structure number one, break structure number two. Why? Because why do we need to see two break structures? Well, because it allows us to see this trend movement, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then we enter right here, target more liquidity, right? As you can see, there actually was some liquidity here, and it actually reacted a little bit, but the reshort ratio was kind of ass. And essentially, we're super bullish in all the higher time frames, so I'm going to target even higher. But 3K like that. Alrighty, $3,000. Am I here to flex on you? Of course not. Like I just showed you, I taught you the strategy a little bit, but you may still have some questions, man. Let's be honest, okay? If you want to actually learn fast, if you actually want to become profitable with my guidance, get everything, then click the first link in the description, okay? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, etc. Share this video to a friend who wants to see you succeed, all right? Thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.